Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is tobinmua, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this fun green halo eye look. This is perfect for the holiday season. I thought, you know what, let's start getting the holiday tutorials out early. So this is the look I came up with. I hope you guys do like it. It gives me very like Grinch vibes. I got that idea from my friend, I want to say Daisy, gave me that idea on Instagram Live. I did do an Instagram Live today, so if you guys were there, then you're the real MVP. So yeah, if you guys want to be in my next live while I'm doing a tutorial, then definitely follow me on Instagram. But yeah, if you guys do want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. So I haven't done a voiceover in quite some time, but I thought I would do one for you guys. I'm using the Ember Elise Makeup Primer today with my Beauty Blender. Now I'm going in with some eyeshadow and just filling in my brows, and then I'm going to be going in with my NYX brow gel, and I'm going to be running that through the brows. Next, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just going to be using that to conceal my eyes and also shape up my brows as well. I love this concealer so much. It's definitely a good drugstore concealer. If you guys have yet to try it, I definitely suggest trying it out. And my Ulta now just got the Makeup Revolution foundation, so if you guys think I should try that out, then let me know. I'm just setting my eyes with a little bit of powder. Next, I'm going in with my Morphe 35B palette. I know this palette is discontinued now, but I absolutely love this palette. I'm going in with that dark green shade, and I'm just going to pat this on with a little smudger brush. Now I'm going in with a pencil brush and a blending brush and just blending all of that. Pretty much just adding and blending. Blending is key. So here I'm adding a little more of that green in the crease and blending some more with my blending brush. So now that I have my perfect blending, I'm now doing a halo eye. So I'm taking my concealer and I'm just going to be taking a little packed brush and I'm just going to be placing that in the center and just blending that out a little bit. Now I'm going in with actually my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and I'm just placing that in the center because those highlighters are so blinding. What's your type of style eye, guys? I love doing a halo eye. Halo eyes are kind of my favorite, as well as cut creases. I would love to know your favorite type of eye look you guys enjoy. Now I'm just blending that on the edges so it isn't a harsh line. Now I'm going in with my two Milani Conceal and Perfect foundations in tan and light tan, just blending that with my Real Techniques makeup sponge. Now I'm going back in with my concealer. I'm also adding a lighter concealer as well to brighten it up. But I'm just putting that under my under eyes. I'm going to be placing that on my T-zone as well. Next, I'm just powdering my face. I'm using the Coty Airspun powder. Normally, I would use my Smashbox powder, but I couldn't find that at the moment. Now I'm going to be going in with my Gerard Cosmetics Starlit palette, and I'm going in with that bronzer shade, and I'm just bronzing up my face. I absolutely love this trio palette. It's so good. Now I'm going back in with that green shade and another smudge pencil brush and just running that on my lower lash line. I'm just blending that out with my Real Techniques brush. Now I'm going in with my NYX eyeliner, and I'm just going to be lining my waterline with that. I love this eyeliner. It's a kohl pencil, so it glides on so easily. Next, I'm going in with my favorite brand of lashes, the Dodo Lashes D307, and my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I absolutely love these lashes so much. If you guys have ever wanted to try them, I do have a coupon code. It's just tobinmua, and you'll get some dollars off. Now I'm using my favorite Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in Precious Petals. Absolutely love this. And using a setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics in Jasmine, and that is going to help make my highlight blinding. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this highlighter and like using setting sprays. And just a small little tip, as you can see, I am using the smallest brush to add my highlighter. That is actually a blending brush. I love using blending brushes for a highlight because it puts it right where you want it. It's super precise and it's just great. So you should definitely try using a blending brush for your highlighter next time. I'm just placing the highlighter on my brow bone. I'm just blending those two together. And that is a blinding highlight. I absolutely love Wet n Wild highlighters. They are amazing. Next, I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Amsterdam, and I'm just going to be placing that on the lips. It is a pinky red shade. And after this, I am about finished with the look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment below a look you guys want me to do next on my channel. So subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. If you guys enjoy colored eye looks, then this is definitely the channel for you. You will enjoy my channel so much because I am obsessed with colors. And yeah, I think that is it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both those are at tobinmua. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.